2001. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for today's video because my look came out exactly how I wanted it. Yeah, I don't remember any grown woman walking around with bubbles in their hair and half up, half downs, and nobody wore their makeup like this, but it's very nostalgic. It's like a twist. I think this trend is kind of coming back, so this is how we come in with it, okay? So I created this really cute look with the bubbles, the half up, half down. I absolutely love how my hair came out. I'm trying a new hair sponsor today, RPGhair, okay? RPGhair, okay? Ooh, y'all, I was so excited about my look, I forgot to show you guys my glasses. Like, what would this look be without the glasses? So, stay tuned for some new content. Mwah. Alright guys, so we're going to get straight into this video. This hair is from RPGhair. This is my first time working with this company. I've never worked with them, but I just want to say right now, I am so impressed. I absolutely love this install. I love the lace, I love the construction of the wig, and I love the quality of the hair. So this wig is a kinky straight texture, is 150% density, which is like crazy because this wig is super thick. I literally thought it was like 250% density or something. Like, she was thick, but like in a good way. And also it's 22 inches. So I've worked with kinky textures before, kinky curly, kinky straight, all of that. I absolutely love it. I think it mimics our texture great. I feel like it just looks really good on us. It's very flattering. A lot of people are scared of kinky textures. I don't know why, because most of us got kinky hair anyways. But I really like it. I think it's more versatile. It's just like the average black woman's hair, or African American, or whatever you want. I don't want to offend nobody, but our hair is very versatile. We can do a lot with our hair texture, a lot of different styles. I feel like it's just amazing. So I wanted to try something different with this wig today, and I'm just so impressed with myself because I can't believe that I did this hairstyle and executed it. Like, this is something that I was thinking about, but I'm like, I don't know, Tasha, I don't know if you got it, but I had it. So anyways, I'm just installing my wig like I normally do. Did I bleach these knots? I did not bleach the knots on this wig, actually. So this wig came like this, and I did pluck it a little bit. So I didn't have to pluck it crazy because it already came, in my opinion, pre-plucked. But that's just up to your discretion if you want to customize it more to your hairline, which is what I did. So now I'm just flattening it, and I did decide to hot comb the whole frontal area because although I do love the texture and the volume of this wig, I wanted it to look like scalp. I wanted it to look like it was coming out of my scalp, like I got a fresh blowout, a fresh press. Well, not really a press because I wasn't going for a straight look. So I literally parted in between the frontal and hot combed it, so it's flat. I think that's why this install came out as good as it did, because this is what I did. Whenever I do this, my installs come out amazing, and it did. Okay, because look at it. Well, not yet, but did you see it? And do you see the difference of the hair when you like hot comb through it? Like, it's just so much flatter. It just looks so much more natural. Like, I'm living. If you don't do this, do it. Even with your straight wigs, your silky straight, your body wave, all of it, do it. Even when your curly wigs, do it. It makes such a difference on how your wig lays on your head. So I absolutely loved how this looked, and I thought about leaving it in this style when I originally was doing this half up, half down. But I just wanted to do something more. I just felt like I was slacking. I was like, you know what, Tasha? Let's take it there. So after I did this style, I did 2 half up, half downs. Super easy. You just kind of section off what you want and rubber band it. I was so excited, you guys, because I cannot do a half up, half down for a sheet. So I just kind of slicked it and put it up in rubber bands, and then I wrapped my bubbles around it. So I know a lot of you guys are going to ask, where did I get the bubbles from? I went to my local beauty supply store, honey. I don't know if you guys call them bubbles, bobos, I don't know what you call it. I call them bubbles because they look like bubbles, okay? And I just got them from my beauty supply store. I actually got a lot of them. I don't even know why I got them because I'm not going to be wearing bubbles like that. Like, it's hella childish, but it was very cute. So I'm sure you can find them on Amazon too. I think they call them knockers. Like, if you look them up, you'll probably be able to find them if you look up knockers. But yeah, so I did that, and I decided I wanted it to be kind of like a cluster. So I took 2 bubbles on each side and like wrapped them around and made them look all, you know, jazzy. So once I've adjusted my little bubbles how I want them, that's the best they were going to get. I wasn't going to stress myself out. That's when I decided I was going to leave the hair like that. But I'm like, you know, I'm going to do something else. Because I thought I was done. But I'm like, you know what? No. We're going to put a little bit of serum on here. And we're going to wand curl it. I just thought the wand curls would make the look more playful, a lot more fun, have a little bit more razzle dazzle. And it did. Like, look at this. It literally is so textured. It's so beautiful. I love this wig so much. And another thing that I love about kinky straight hair, any kind of kinky texture, it holds a curl. So I didn't have to spray too much hairspray on it. When I was done, I sprayed it with hairspray just to, you know, kind of preserve the curls. But honestly, the curls were flawless, bouncy, natural, and didn't require a lot. And they were just so fluffy. Like, I'm about to show you once this drops. Any second now. I think I did it for like, I held this for like 10-15 seconds. But like, we're bringing wand curls back, okay, 2021. They take a while, but they're so worth it. But yeah, that's what I did pretty much all over my head. I just took random sizes and random places, went different directions, and just curled my hair. And finally, I am done. So I did spray it a little bit with hairspray, and I'm just like finger combing it out just to make it nice and fluffy. And that pretty much completed the hairstyle, you guys. It was super easy. The lace literally melted. Like, oh my gosh. It's so cute. I look so young, and I love it.